You will be amazed by this 2018 Honda Accord. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This Accord will dazzle you with its perfect blend of comfort, safety, connectivity, spaciousness, performance, and elegant style. It's no wonder the Accord has become an industry icon. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, backup camera, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control. Quietly powerful, boldly beautiful, simply excellent. The Honda Accord.